Nakita na natin kung ano yung a little bit of preview para sa design ng aming townhouse.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zeus! Magandang araw! So for today's vlog, meron tayong meeting sa engineer at architect ng ating ipapagawang bahay. So ngayon, very excited kami kasi makikita namin ang kanilang design na naisip. Kinolaborate kasi namin yung mga gusto namin. And then, ngayon na makikita yung combination ng mga design. Kaya, halika na! Stairs lang. Kuya, hagdan lang po ba tayo? Hagdan lang po. Okay, thank you. Hello, good morning.
So, nirestore na namin siya from the original. I hope. Pero tinanggal namin kasi yung poste, like, parang naka-offset yung wall here, right sa ground floor. As you can see, yung living room and yung sitting area, yan na siya. Tsaka yung dining. Ang proposal is to remove also the wall dun nga sa may lavatory area para ma-accommodate yung living room and dining. Especially dining kasi like kung nandito pa siya, ibabalik natin sa dati. I think the doors on this side parang naka-offset siya eh. So, ang dining room mo, dito lang. Yan, once you open the door, ito yung makikita mo. So, ito yung plan. And then, yeah, the look is optional. Pero, mas maganda rin naman na meron siya. Furniture piece lang naman yan, or if you like, like.
Oh, that one is good.
Para sa breakfast.
For kids,
For
yeah.
kids. And then we put a mirror para mas lumaki lang yung space. Ito naman,
Mirror pala yun.
Yeah,
Para
this,
facing
facing the, yeah, this wall. Kasi ito yung wall naman sa stairs.
Para hindi plain na wall.
Yes, alright. Meron siyang guest. Sorry.
Security na lang dyan.
Pero if you wanna use this space, parang extended yung closet, we put this wall para magkaroon ka ng TV. Parang ganito siya. Ang intent is like this. Ito naman, na galing na sa sa Pinterest siya. Pero ganito lang yung intent. Na meron siyang wall. So,
Ayan, nakita na natin kung ano yung a little bit of preview para sa design ng aming townhouse. Gustuhan mo ba, Daddy?
Yeah, it's nice. We did send some of the pictures there, so we have sort of a reasonable idea of how it's going to look, but how they spaced it out was really nice. So yeah, now we just got to finalize some of the costing and some of what we might not need or might not be necessarily
In there.
you know, needed for the kids or something. So yeah, we have this weekend to go over the whole
Teka, look.
drawing.
Pina-email namin yung design para ma-check namin kung ano yung kaya lang, ma-maximize namin yung talagang budget namin. Kasi syempre, ayaw din namin naman na mag-all out, tapos there are things na, yun nga, not necessarily need to be in the design.
Yeah. Pero maganda. They use the space really well,
Yeah.
and I'm sure the kids will be pretty happy.
Tapos, while waiting for that, by next week, kukuha na sila ng permit, tapos magsisimula na, finally.
Yeah. But yeah, we're just hoping that sana we can be there before Christmas. But yeah, we will think of somewhere to be during
When we
that
come
time.
back.
We've just been winging everything so far, so bahala na, we just keep winging it.
Kaya naman.
Yeah, kaya naman. I mean, we know what the plan is mostly, but you know, some things are a little bit uncertain, so we just have to push through those, figure it out as we go along.
Yeah. So for now, andito na kami sa stoplight. And then, malapit lang kasi to sa Shangri-La. And I found out na yung gift ni Tita Aubrey Miles for Aliyah na Zara, ang tawag dito dati?
Gift card.
Gift card. Hindi pa namin nabibili si Aliyah. Ito yun. Sa Zara. So dadaan na kami doon. Bibili namin siya ng mga damit na gagamitin niya for US. Para magamit na rin namin yung gift card. Yan. On the way kami ngayon sa Shangri-La Plaza Mall. Kasi doon may malapit na Zara. And ayan. And after this, we don't know the plan yet. Wala na kaming meetings and all.
In 800 meters,
Ano na lang.
turn right.
Chill na lang and rest.
Malapit pala.
Ay, yun na pala agad.
Pero imagine during the day, kahit malapit lang. Traffic.
In fairness, at this hour, walang traffic, oh. No? Walang kotse masyado.
But it's
Pero yung
Sunday.
umuulan nga, mga Zoobs, ambon, makulimlim. Pero wala naman sigurong bagyo. It's just at 4 o'clock pa lang, ganito na yung kulimlim niya. But anyway, ito na. I can see the flyover kung saan ako dati nag-pictorial. Malapit na kami. We'll update you once we are in Zara.
Shiny lights and purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I'm gonna work, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you.
Hi guys, kakagising ko lang. And alam niyo ba, maaga natulog ang mga bata. Napatulog na namin si Mimi. At ngayon, naisip namin na isang beses pa lang kami kumakain for today, yung meal namin. Kaya kami ay bababa at kakain. It's Saturday night, so we don't know kung anong mangyayari sa buong araw. Ay, buong gabi. Pero we don't have plans. We're just gonna eat and check it out kung anong meron sa labas. Kaya, halika na.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching the vlog. We really, really appreciate it once again. And yeah, it was just a quiet night. The kids fell asleep really, really early. But basically, that is a sneak peek at what our townhouse will look like. So it's not final. We still have things like, as we mentioned, that we do want to minus and to reduce the costs. But basically, we hope once we're away, because we're leaving in a couple of days, that the renovations get started and hopefully there's some progress by the time we get back here to the Philippines. So yeah, we're really excited about that. Something we've been working on pretty much since the day we got here. We didn't show too much footage yet, but we do have some like before footage that we will probably air later on when some of the work has been done, or maybe when it's finished, so you guys will see it. But yeah, we're really excited for it, and I hope you guys are also excited for it. And yeah, we've got a busy couple days ahead because we've got to start packing. And as you can see, I just woke up and Diana isn't here, so I thought I'd end the vlog na lang. But thanks again, guys, for watching, and we really appreciate you. And thank you, of course, to all of our sponsors. Have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.